Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome, and thank you for tuning in. And this time to my 3,105th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. This video coming at you on a Thursday night for trading July 17th, Friday. You know what they say about July 17th, Fridays? Absolutely nothing. Don't worry about it. We don't care about that crap anyway. We trade technical analysis. We don't believe in any of the voodoo. If it doesn't come off of a chart, it doesn't exist as far as the Omni Camp is concerned, and the Omni compound, if you will. We only believe in one thing, pure technical analysis, because everything else is already built into that chart. Whether you can read charts or not, trading's still going to be risky, so put your stops in, put them in first, and never trade without protective stops. Traders, thank you for your outpouring of well wishes and a speedy recovery for Lisa. Lisa's a big backbone behind this whole Omni operation. She runs all the bookkeeping for 3 companies. She keeps me straight. She allows me to give all the time I offer to you. So thank you for everything you said for Lisa. She's a bigger part of Omni than you think. She is recovering. She's now home. You know, when you come home from back surgery, you basically come home like an invalid, but an invalid that just keeps getting better, which is fantastic. She had a great day today. Mikey has been calling traders around the world. Only if you've ever joined my website, Mikey has been calling you, and thank you so much for how nice you've been to Mikey. He's a great kid. He's not selling you guys anything. He's just calling as a courtesy call. So if you see a phone number coming in from the 702 area code, don't go, I don't know this number, click, because that's what people do for some reason. By the way, before we finish this statement, I have told people my entire life since cell phones started, when you see a number that you don't know, answer it anyway. What is the worst that could happen? You hang up, because it could be the king of the world calling you to tell you he's stepping down. You're the new king of the world. You didn't answer the phone. Answer your damn phone. You can always hang up. Anyway, if you see a 702 area code, that's Mikey calling from Vegas. Answer it. He's a nice kid. He'll just speak to you. Now, Mikey making all those phone calls. Omni Camp seats are flying. Thank you, Mikey. You're the best. Omni Camp is September 10th through the 14th. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It's here in Las Vegas. We're waiting till September because it's too damn hot here to hold one before then. So in September, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 10th through the 14th, I'm hosting an Omni Camp here in Las Vegas. I'm only taking 5 students, already a handful. I'm taking a handful only, and already 2 of those seats are gone. There are 3 left. You've got to go to Omni Boot Camp right now. Fill out those applications, omnibootcamp.com. Let me know you want to come to camp in Vegas. We'll get you seated for the September 10th through 14th Omni Camp. Remember, I've already taken 2. There's 3 left. These seats are going quickly. Make sure you contact me. What's going on? Omni, the gift that just keeps giving. Were you part of that gold trade? I mean, we're killing it in metals, right? These last few trades in metals have been fantastic. So the thing about Omni is you take all the trades. Sometimes Omni belts out 3 trades in one day. 1 loser, 2 winners, 2 losers, 1 winner. You take them all, you end up on the winning side, right? So we take all the Omni trades. Omni has been killing it. Now, when I say the gift that just keeps on giving, do you remember in my videos, the last couple of videos, I gave you some gifts. Double top and TWTO, take 2. Remember that? Double top, I said to you, I'm not telling you what to do, but when you see a double top, you sell a double top. And here is a double top waiting for you. And TTWO has been building up to put out GTA for so long, it hits a double top. That's a signal. I offered that to you. That worked really, really well. The next gift the Omni offered was gold. I showed you an exact spot. Wait 1 day. Let gold show you it can't get above that trend line. If it cannot, go short. We did that today. $5,000 on a 1 lot, right? We took out $5,000 on a 1 lot in gold. We left $5,000 on the table. It could have been 10. We were done at 5. Unreal call in gold. I gave you SpaceX as a gift. Is that not dropping? I told you it should not be as high as it is. 107 to 105 is our target. It's already $10 lower since I've told you it's going that way. So Omni is giving gifts and they keep on giving. Thank you, Omni. Thank you. Thank you. The Omni does not like silver, gold, platinum, palladium, or copper. They all look ugly. Number 3, On the board, NASDAQ, E-mini S&P, Russ, red Omni. In fact, we had a beautiful green Omni on Tuesday. By Wednesday, it turned red. By Thursday, it's extremely red. Now it's red again on Friday. Nice to see, though, we've had 2 days in a row with the same Omni, right? It's been red, green, red, green, red, green. Now, when it flips like that, Omni has been flip-flopping like a fish out of water. We all know, we've been watching Omni for almost 45 years. That means we're getting ready to vacate the area that we've been trading in. Now, does not mean we're going to vacate up. It does not mean we're going to vacate down. It means we're going to vacate the area, and then day by day, Omni signals tell us which way it's going to go. If you look at a snapshot right now on Thursday evening, it looks like we're heading down, not up as far as NASDAQ, ES, and Russell are concerned, because we've got a red Omni. When the Omni's red, so am I. When the Omni's green, I'm as happy as can be because I'm bullish. Right? When the Omni's red, I'm a raging bear, whatever the Omni tells me to be. Omni's red for trading, NASDAQ, E-mini, or Russ on Friday. Omni Phoenix, another gift I can give you. Oh my God, is that not doing well for you traders around the world? Omni Phoenix just keeps going. Why? Because I've got OmniX that have been following me since the 80s, without exaggerating, since the 1980s. The crowd got bigger and bigger. I used to send out my information via fax machine. The crowd got bigger. The internet showed up. I started websites and putting my work out on the internet. They've been following me for decades all over the world, and they're all getting into the coin. OmniX, you're doing great. What you do is this. Once you're in the Omni token, if you see a red bar day, go in and buy just a little. All the OmniX around the world, buy just a little. We buy up the coins that they're looking to sell out of, and higher we continue to go. Now, I have been, of course, to bring awareness of the Omni itself and the Omni token. I now stream every day live on Twitter. I stream every day live on YouTube. I stream every day live in my live trading room. I stream live every day on Pump.fun. We are now adding, and would have added already, but Lisa's surgery kind of got in the way. But now we're going to be adding in Facebook. We're going to be adding in TikTok and Instagram, so that when I am live streaming about markets every day, it's going all over the world. That is to bring more notoriety, to bring more people and more people in the Omni Phoenix token. If you haven't bought it yet, go grab it. Get it at Coinbase. Get your Omni token at Phantom Wallet. You can buy it at almost any exchange, anywhere. Get the Omni Phoenix. We'll look at some charts and you'll understand why. So in this video, I'm telling you, we've got a red Omni in the NASDAQ, Russell, E-mini, that stuff. We're selling rallies. I'm telling you that for trading on Friday, SpaceX should continue lower. Gold, silver looks even worse, should continue lower. The double top worked in TWTO, but we're done with that. Double top worked and off the board now, right? On to something else. And watch out for platinum, palladium, and copper as well. Now, copper's a little bit more tricky. I wouldn't be short copper, but you can sell all this other stuff. It looks just fantastic. I've got some charts I want to show you. In the chart segment, we're going to see why kind of, it's NASDAQ, Russ, E-mini, S&P probably do want to go lower for trading on Friday. But you'll also see great charts on why you want to be short gold and silver, why the Omni Phoenix looks so good. You'll see some great stuff and you'll understand what I've been looking at. I hope the chart segment will help you. Now, traders, if you're considering coming out to Omni Camp, I had one recently, and here's what the Omni Campers had to say. Quick clip. Please, please do me a favor, humor me, watch this clip, and then decide if Omni Camp's going to work for you.
Whoever said camp is just for kids is wrong. You can still have a great time at Omni Camp as an adult. Highly recommend. 5 stars out of 5 stars.
Do what he says, you will be successful. I'm 100% sure about that, mostly because he proved it to me this week.
All right, traders, you've seen that. Now, let's do this. Let's say our mantra together, and then we'll look at charts. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Stop, soar, in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Now, let's go. Look at some charts. Traders, the NASDAQ daily bar. I never like NASDAQ when it gets underneath this average, and now it's knocking on the door of the bottom of this big apex, the bottom line. Now, I would say, hey, this is a great place to buy it, isn't it? Except for my Omni right now is pointing down. It's red, so I'm not allowed to buy it there. We've got a red Omni. I'm going to leave that alone. Bitcoin. Look at this, traders. Now, you know I've been following Bitcoin since the day it started. I've been charting it since the first bar. And I've made fantastic calls on Bitcoin. And I've been telling you since we called the top at 126 that this thing looks uglier and uglier. And it dropped into a bear flag and dropped into another bear flag. And look at where we are now, right at the top of a bear flag. Now, what I've noticed at the top of bear flags is that's about it. And here we are at the top of the bear flag. So I don't like that one either, but you know that because I got myself out of Bitcoin right about here. And I said, if it goes up a little bit, I'll get in. If it goes down a little, I'll get in. But I don't like it here. Let this thing collapse without me. So I am on the sidelines at the moment. What's another gift we can give? All right, look at TTWO traders. Here we are at a double top, top one, top two. TTWO is putting out GTA, right? Grand Theft Auto, and it's been building up for years. And finally, we're at this double top. And I said to you, I'm not telling you what to do, but I am telling you when you see a double top, you sell a double top. So here we are, OMNIX. Do what you think is best. And here's where it was. And this is what's happened since. Is that not fantastic? Is that not fantastic? Oh, my God. So that's what's happened since. Great call. Nice gift from Omni. But the gifts continue. Look at this one. If I can pull this off. Gold. I told you when we were right here, don't do anything yet. Let gold have a day. On Wednesday, whatever gold tells you on Wednesday will be our signal. If it gets up here above, we're buyers. If it fails here, we can sell it. Here we are. Get ready for another signal. Here's my gift to you. Remember that, OMNIX? Well, so far, it did exactly what we expected Thursday. Well, on Wednesday and Thursday, we got short right here and followed it straight down. We jumped out somewhere around here, and it just kept going. Day trading, of course. I still like the short side of gold. I think gold looks ugly. Great gift for my OMNIX. The gift that will keep on giving. Silver looks just as bad, if not worse. I had a trade set up to get a short silver on Thursday. No fill, but we did get filled in gold. I still would sell silver on Friday if I could get a fill. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder drops down into a bear flag. Then whatever this ugly thing is here just keeps getting worse. But now, it's not just silver and gold. Look at platinum. I mean, is that not heading down, down, down? Look at palladium. Down, 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 right? And even copper is starting to now, ever since it put this high in back here, it dropped from that high, a lower high, and has been dropping since. So even copper now is starting to join the parade of metals on the downside. The gift of SpaceX, when it was up here, I told you, let's look for 107, 106. Look at what it's done so far. All the way down to here, 130-ish. It's on its way, kids. What else do we have? The Omni Phoenix. I mean, is that not just killing it? That is the best gift I could give anyone, barring teaching you Omni Camp. I couldn't do anything better than get you in this Omni Phoenix coin. Look at how it just keeps on building bigger channels to the higher upside and wants to blast off. You gotta love it. The Omni likes it. Our OMNIX like it. The Omni token, get your Omni Phoenix. You can buy it on Phantom Wallet, Coinbase, Pump.fun, most exchanges. Get in because we're 10xing this thing. So get in before it goes without you. Traders, thank you for everything you do. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.